Hi, welcome back to the Captain Fishbeard YouTube channel. Today we're being detectives. Check it out.
Hi guys, today's video is all about being a detective. Now sometimes you might want to send a note or a letter to one of your friends or a member of your family without wanting other people to know what's in there. So what you can do is devise a code using your drawing skills. So what we're going to do, this is going to be the key. So this is going to be where we create which symbol represents which word in your code. So I've written some common ones here. You can change those obviously to what you want your note to be about. But I think these are the most common ones that we might want to use in a note when we're being detectives or spies. So hey, I think, I don't know about you, but whenever I think hey, I think potato, yeah? Yeah? Maybe? I don't know. Anyway, hey is potato. Sometimes I feel, like I'm sure you do too, a lot like a cat. Do you? Is that something you feel as well? That's a good key. You specifically, obviously, everybody knows you are a bird. Yeah, like this guy here. Just like you, isn't it? That one? Oh no, wait. Now it is. Good. Okay, me. You're going to have to put something slim in there because I've overdone it with my bird, haven't I? Okay, let's put in here a... little carrot. That's for me. Me. Should be the same, shouldn't they? Oh, no. It's not going to make sense. Video, because we're all about the videos here at Fishbeard. And that is going to be where we store our videos. Not on a computer these days, but in the cloud. So that's what I'm going to do now. Happy little cloud. Good, right, C. Okay, let's go route 1 with that one. Straight C. Those are your eyes, aren't they? Here, again. Should we just do an ear? Would that be too obvious? No, let's not do an ear. Let's do planet for no particular reason. That'll confuse anybody trying to break the code, won't it? Who'd have thought? Home. Should we just draw a house? Would that be too obvious? No, let's draw... a laptop. No one will guess that's home, will they? This is going to be a very, very hard code to crack. Time. We will go straight forward with that one. But we'll make it a bit of fun as well. And the fun clock. Okay, that's our key. So this is what you would give to the person before you sent your letter, or in a separate envelope to the letter, maybe hidden somewhere else. We would get rid of that, and then maybe you could send something that looked like that. So if I bring the key back in, this is nonsense to anybody who doesn't have the drawing skills or the know-how of what the code was, isn't it? So hopefully we can see all of those together. So this potato means hey. So hey, the cat, that was... I hope you like the video. See you next time from me. Try that yourself. It's a lot of fun, and you can send super secret messages to your family and friends. Cheers. Bye-bye. Just time now to have another look at some drawings that have been sent in. This one is a royal dinosaur at the zoo by Dexter. That's fantastic, Dexter, well done. Please do keep sending your pictures in to tom@captainfishbeard.com.